Hey everyone! So yeah, in this video, I'll show you how to use Gmail confidential mode correctly step by step. If you're sending sensitive information, confidential mode adds extra protection. This full guide for 2026 helps you avoid common mistakes. Confidential mode lets you set expiration dates, disable forwarding and downloads, and add passcodes. It's about access control, not full encryption. Use it for contracts, invoices, or private business information. To enable it, click Compose and select the confidential mode icon. Set an expiration date so the email stops working after a certain time. Enable passcode protection for extra security. Confidential mode blocks forwarding, copying, printing, and downloading. Send a test email to yourself to confirm everything works. Remember, recipients can still take screenshots. So use confidential mode as an extra layer, not total protection. Explain to recipients why the email is protected and keep things professional. And yeah, that's how to use Gmail confidential mode correctly, step by step in 2026. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.